Well, it's his first visit since he's taken office for the third time. It's an important visit. He'd already accepted the invitation as the Prime Minister when the Italian Premier had invited the Prime Minister of India for the G7 summit. This was before the elections kicked off. So we expected Italy to be his first visit. Although every time a Prime Minister comes to power in India, they normally choose the neighborhood. But over here, engaging the world leaders is also as important. He's going to address the outreach sessions as guest countries do when they're invited for the G7 summit and the leadership forum. Over here, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will focus on the areas that have been outlined for the outreach sessions, whether it is climate change, energy, artificial intelligence, economy, and Africa. Africa comes into the picture more prominently now than ever after the G20 summit held in India under India's presidency. That African Union was added as a member of the G20. So a lot of important conversations, but a lot will revolve around the Russia-Ukraine war, situation in Gaza owing to the Israel-Hamas war. Important to note what Prime Minister Modi will say about the conflicts and the need to resolve crisis. Apart from that, he's going to hold bilateral meetings on the sidelines. We are given to understand that there is going to be a meeting with the Italian Premier, with the French President, with the German Chancellor, Japanese Prime Minister. We do not really know whether if there's going to be a confirmed meeting with President Biden or, for that matter, Canadian Prime Minister Trudeau, but expect some important outcome from the bilateral meetings as also from the G7 summit.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.